How do I troubleshoot the problem of LED lights not changing color?
Hello there, DIYers. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that can occur with LED lighting: problems with changing colors. Whether it's due to remote issues, wiring mishaps, or color controller problems, we'll walk you through the most common troubleshooting steps. Remember, safety first. Always turn off and unplug your lights before starting any work.
Is the remote working properly?
Before going deeper, let's first check the basics. Sometimes, the issue isn't with the lights themselves but with the remote control. 1. Check the battery. The problem might simply be a dead battery in your remote. Try replacing it and see if that solves the issue. 2. Ensure the remote is functional. You can do this by pointing the end of the remote at the camera on your phone and pressing a button. If you see a small light on your phone screen, your remote is working.
Are your LED lights properly connected?
Next, we'll move on to examining the light setup itself. Your LED lights might not be changing colors if they're not properly connected. 1. Check the connections. Make sure all LED strips are connected correctly and securely. Loose connections can cause malfunctioning color changes. 2. Inspect for damage. Look over your LED strip and controller for any visible damage. Damage could disrupt the functioning of the lights.
Is your LED controller functioning?
The heart of the color-changing mechanism is the LED controller. If it's not working properly, you won't see those beautiful color shifts. 1. Reset the controller. If your LED controller has a reset button, try using it. A simple reset can often resolve minor software glitches. 2. Check for power issues. If the controller isn't getting sufficient power, it might not function correctly. Make sure it's properly powered.
Are your LED lights of high quality?
Quality matters when it comes to LED lights. Lower quality LEDs may not have as many color options or might not shift colors as well. 1. Check the color range. Make sure your LEDs are designed to change to the color you want. Not all LEDs have the same color capabilities. 2. Quality check. If you've run through all the other checks and your lights still aren't changing colors, it might be a quality issue. It could be time to invest in a higher quality set of LED lights. That wraps up our troubleshooting guide for color-changing LED lights. We hope this has been helpful in resolving your issues, or at the very least, has given you a better understanding of how your LED lights work. Always remember to work safely and responsibly when dealing with electronics. Until next time, happy DIYing!